Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, it's been a while. I am so sorry. I have been so busy. I haven't been able to put any video up. But yeah, I have another one for you guys. This is a beautiful unit that I created for a client of mine. And I just wanted to share with you guys how I went through the process of making this unit right here. Alright, so guys, because this is for a client, I will not be wearing this on my head, but it looks very pretty on a mannequin. And yeah, let's get started. So this wig is a frontal, and I'm pretty sure you saw this process before. This is me sewing the frontal into the dome cap. And what I usually do is after I sew the wig, the frontal, I go ahead and I cut the cap underneath the lace, and I put it back on the mannequin after it's done, and I just start braiding. So yes, as you can see, I do start from the back. This is the twist that I started installing. So I will do that line by line all the way to the top. So yeah, the process is pretty easy. You pull the hair through the dome cap, make sure it's even on each end, and you just start twisting. The only thing I would say though is you make sure you grab enough dome cap in between your braids, that way your braid is securely in there and it doesn't rip off. Because people asking me, is the braid not gonna come off? No, if you put enough dome cap in between right there, you grab, and then when you see that, then you don't have to worry about it coming off, if that makes sense. So after I'm done with the back, I just braid the closure. I usually braid it just as if I was braiding somebody's head. I start with the three-way method, as if I was doing the box braids, and like about 1/4 of an inch, and then I part the hair in half and start twisting it. Just want to be mindful, because this is not hair that's growing out of somebody's scalp. You want to be mindful how tight you braid it, because you want the flexibilities in the braids to be able to move the braids. If if you braid it too tight, then it will be too stiff and it will probably look weird. So just be mindful of how you place your braids. So after I'm done, I go ahead and I clean the hair up. Anything sticking out, you want to go ahead and clip it off and make sure it just keeps your twist or your braids nice and clean like that. So don't forget to do that process. When it's all done, I make sure I dip the hair in a hot boiling water. What I usually do is I pour the hot water all over the entire twist. It just makes it nice and soft, just like really soft. And I dip it a couple of times just because I want the ends to be really nice and silky. And this is the final product, guys. It looks beautiful. You should see this in person. It's beautiful. And that's it for the final product. Like I said, this is it's been on a mannequin. Sorry, I haven't, I'm not able to wear it so you guys can see how it looks like, but it looked really beautiful on the client as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will really appreciate if you give this video lots of thumbs up, and please subscribe, and that will show me that you want to see more videos like this. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really also want to thank all my new subscribers. You guys are wonderful. I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.